In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images to ads within your Google Ads. Now, why do you need to add images? It's to make your ads stand out a lot more so that, they say pictures speak 1,000 words. So on the Google search results page, what happens is when you do a search for something, you see a lot of text. But if you see an image which is relevant to what you're searching for, you're more likely to click on the ad. So I'm going to show you how to add images to your ads. I'm also going to show you exactly what I mean. And at the end of this video, I want to give you a golden tip, which a lot of people are missing out on. So do wait till the end, and it's going to help you to add something into ad, which a lot of people are currently missing out on. Before I do continue, do hit that subscribe button, do hit the notifications button, so that when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. My name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads expert. I've been running Google Ads for the best part of 20 years. So I've got a lot of experience, especially within my agency, of managing successful Google Ads accounts. So if you're a business and you've got a Google Ads account and you want help on running your Google Ads account, or you just want an audit, there'll be a link in the description below. Click on it, get in touch, and we'll jump onto a call with either myself or a member of my team. Let's get on with the show. So on this page here, you can see I've searched for a word called car repairs garage. So if you're looking for car repairs garage, these are some sponsored ads. So that's a sponsored ad over there. That's a sponsored ad, in other words, from Google Ads. And that's from Google Ads. Now, if I was to say to you which ad stands out the most, I don't think it's going to take a rocket scientist to work out this ad over here by RAC is standing out the most because it's got an image associated to it. And that's the key. So these garages really should have images associated with their ads to make them stand out a lot more. So if you're, for example, selling tires, it'd be great to have a photo of a tire. Or if you're selling dental services, so it'd be great to have some sort of relevant photo here regarding dental. Or if you're selling garden furniture, you can have photos here of garden chairs or garden tables and so on. So I think you get the point. This is what images does to your ads. So you get a higher click-through rate, and if you're getting a higher click-through rate, it's helping your quality score and you're likely to get more conversions. So how do you add images to your ads? What you do is in this account here, you click on campaigns, and I'm showing you in the new Google Ads interface as opposed to the old ones. You click on your ads, and then you click on this pencil symbol here to edit your ad. You can scroll to the bottom of the ad, and then over here you can see that we've already added a couple of images. So what you need to do, you need to click on the edit over here. And then over here, you can select images, and you can either select images that you've already uploaded, or you can upload new images by clicking on here, and they're from your computer. Sometimes Google suggests images, and what you'll see is some images here, which you can simply select. Or you can go to social media, and you can enter your website address here. This is a good one. So what you can do, you can type in your website address here, and you can click on enter. And what it will do, it will scan your website, and it'll take some photos off your website. And what it can do then is you can just say, hey, I want that image over there, or I like it, that image over there, and so on. And what's important is that as well as adding a landscape image, you also add square images as well. It's because then you're giving Google the flexibility to choose which image to display depending on the device that the user is using. Here's a key thing. You can also click on free stock images, and over here, if I just shorten this a little bit, what you can do, you can type in a word, like for example, like MOT, for example, and press enter, and it will find for you images that are related to MOT. So you could say, hey, I like that image over there, and you can simply select it, and then what you do is you click on the save button. So in that way, you can use these images, and most of the images are royalty free. But you need to check the licensing agreement, because sometimes they do have images here which are sponsored images. So you need to make sure that every photo that you're using, or every image that you're using, you are allowed to use it. It's royalty free, and you've got the rights to use that image. and you simply click on save to save the image. So basically you do this and you just select the images that you want to select. What you can also do is select your logo as well. So you can put your logo into here. And that's really helpful because it helps to identify your brand. But then the key thing that you also want to do is over here, you want to type in your business name and logos. This is the key section that you enter your logo into. But to get access to it, you need to be Google Advertiser verified. So once your account has been verified, there is another video that I've got which shows you how to get your account Google verified. Then you can add your business name into here and your logo. So in that way, what happens is that your ad stands out a lot more because it's got your corporate branding on it, it's got your logo on it, and it's got the name of your company, which makes it a lot more trustworthy. So that's how you add images to your ads inside Google Ads, and it helps you to get higher click-through rates. It helps you to get more conversions, helps your ad to stand out a lot more. So there's a huge number of benefits to it. What you can also do is you can add images to account level. You can add images at ad group level as well. So try to make your images as specific as possible to the ad that the ad that's being displayed to the user based on what campaign it's in and what ad group it's in. I hope that helps. What I suggest you do is look at this video over here, and this video is an absolute golden for people like yourselves to help you run more profitable Google Ads campaigns. Take care and look forward to seeing you again. But goodbye for now.